Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. Cybersecurity is evolving fast, and organizations need experts who can manage and secure their networks effectively. Palo Alto is one of the most trusted names in network security, and building skills in this area can open doors to exciting career opportunities. In this video, we'll explore the Palo Alto portfolio offered by IP Specialist, breaking down the courses, certifications, and practical skills you can gain to advance your cybersecurity journey confidently. But before you move on with the session, make sure that you have subscribed to IP Specialist on YouTube and don't forget to hit the bell icon for updates. Palo Alto Network is a global leader in cybersecurity, best known for its next generation firewalls and advanced network security solutions. Organizations worldwide rely on Palo Alto to protect their networks, applications, and data from evolving cyber threats. What makes Palo Alto important is its ability to provide deep visibility and granular control over network traffic, allowing organizations to prevent cyber attacks before they cause damage. With features like App ID for application visibility, User ID for user based policies, and advanced threat prevention, Palo Alto firewalls have become an industry standard for securing enterprise networks. As cyber threats continue to rise, the demand for professional skilled in Palo Alto technologies is growing rapidly. Organizations are looking for individuals who can confidently deploy, configure, and manage Palo Alto firewalls to strengthen their security posture. These skills are valuable not just for large enterprises but also for managed security service providers, cloud environments, and government agencies that prioritize advanced network protection. Building expertise in Palo Alto can help you qualify for roles such as network security engineer, SOC analyst, or firewall administrator, and can significantly enhance your credibility in the cybersecurity field. Certifications like PCNSA and PCNSE are recognized globally and can set you apart in a competitive job market, showing employees that you have the practical skills to secure their networks using Palo Alto technologies. In short, learning Palo Alto is not just about mastering a tool, it's about preparing yourself to meet the growing demand for cybersecurity professionals who can handle advanced cybersecurity challenges in today's complex digital environment. As IP specialist, we understand that mastering advanced cybersecurity tools like Palo Alto requires more than just theory. It requires structured practical learning. That's why our Palo Alto portfolio is designed to help you build real world skills while preparing you for globally recognized certifications like PCNSA and PCNSE. Our IP specialist study guides are ideal for developing the hands on skills necessary to pass these exams confidently. Each guide covers the official exam blueprint and explains the technology through real life case study based labs. The content is organized into individually focused technology topics, presented in an easy to follow, goal oriented, step by step approach. So, whether you're aiming for your PCNSA or PCNSE certification, IP Specialist provides resources that align with the latest exam objectives, ensuring your preparation is relevant and effective. Every lab scenario includes detailed breakdowns and thorough verifications, ensuring you fully understand each task and the associated technology. This means you're not just preparing for an exam, you're building practical, job ready skills that employees value in the cybersecurity industry. With IP Specialist, you gain the confidence to deploy, configure, and manage Palo Alto firewalls in real environments while advancing your career in cybersecurity. If you're looking to build or advance your career in cybersecurity, these Palo Alto courses are designed for you. Whether you're a beginner aiming to enter the cybersecurity field or an IT professional looking to specialize in cybersecurity, these courses will help you gain the practical skills needed in the industry. They are also ideal for system administrators, network engineers, and SOC analysts who want to learn how to configure, manage, and troubleshoot Palo Alto firewalls confidently. Even if you're preparing for recognized certifications like PCNSA or PCNSE, these courses will guide you step by step, making complex concepts easier to understand. In short, if you want to strengthen your skills, validate your knowledge with industry recognized certifications, and improve your career prospects in cybersecurity, these Palo Alto courses are a perfect fit for you. All IP specialist courses come packed with valuable learning tools to help you succeed. Each course includes a comprehensive study guide to guide your preparation, along with carefully crafted practice questions to test your knowledge. You'll also get handy exam cram notes for quick revision and mind maps that simplify complex concepts. To gain practical experience, there are hands on practice labs designed to simulate real world scenarios. Real life examples throughout the course make learning relevant and easier to grasp. Plus, the courses come with auto updates to keep the content fresh and aligned with the latest exam changes. And to top it off, you'll receive expert exam tips to boost your confidence and help you pass on your first attempt. You'll also get study cards that help you quickly review key concepts, making your preparation focused and efficient. The Palo Alto Certified Network Security Administrator or PCNSA certification course is designed for professionals who want to gain expertise in designing, deploying, managing, and troubleshooting Palo Alto Network's next generation firewalls. This course demonstrates the knowledge needed to effectively secure networks using Palo Alto's cutting edge security solutions. Through this course, you will develop the ability to explore both the web interface and the command line of Palo Alto devices. Learn about key technologies to optimize your network capabilities and understand best practices when configuring security policies. You will gain hands on skills in implementing and managing net policies, optimizing security policies using the appropriate tools, and working with different types of security profiles. The course also covers enabling DNS security, creating URL filtering controls, and configuring both group mapping and IP to user mapping for granular policy enforcement. Additionally, you learn how to configure Global Protect VPN for remote workers and site to site VPNs, ensuring secure connectivity for your organization. This course is ideal if you're looking to build a career in cybersecurity while preparing to pass the PCNSA exam on your first attempt. The PCNSA certification covers key topics including device management and services, managing objects, policy evaluation and management, and securing traffic. This certification is valid for 2 years, and it's recommended that you have a solid understanding of networking principles and cybersecurity practices, along with hands on experience with Palo Alto firewalls before taking the exam. By completing this course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to secure networks effectively, making you a valuable asset in any cybersecurity team. The Palo Alto Certified Network Security Engineer or PCNSE certification is designed to validate your expertise in designing, deploying, configuring, maintaining, and troubleshooting Palo Alto Network's next generation firewalls. Achieving this certification signifies your in depth understanding of the Palo Alto Network Security Operating Platform or PAN OS and its capabilities in protecting networks against today's advanced cyber threats. This course is ideal for those aiming to build a strong career in cybersecurity and looking to pass the PCNSE exam on their first attempt. Throughout this course, you will gain hands on skills in deploying and configuring core components, features, and subscriptions within Palo Alto's platform, while also learning to manage and operate firewalls using Panorama for centralized management. Additionally, the course covers essential troubleshooting techniques to help you identify and resolve security issues effectively, ensuring you can maintain a secure and resilient network environment. Key topics covered in this course include core concepts, deploying and configuring core components, managing features and subscriptions, panorama management, operational management, and troubleshooting. The PCNSE certification is valid for 2 years, and it is recommended that you have a solid understanding of networking fundamentals, including TCP/IP, VLANs, and network security concepts such as firewalls and intrusion prevention systems. Familiarity with Palo Alto technologies, PAN OS, and best security practices, along with strong problem solving skills, will also help you excel in this certification. By completing this course with IP Specialist, you will gain the advanced knowledge and confidence needed to protect networks effectively, positioning yourself for senior roles within the cybersecurity industry. Palo Alto skills go beyond certification. They prepare you to handle real world cybersecurity challenges in various professional environments. Organizations across industry use Palo Alto next generation firewalls to protect their networks from advanced threats. Your skills will allow you to design and implement secure network architectures that safeguard sensitive data in critical applications. You will learn to configure, manage, and troubleshoot Palo Alto firewalls effectively. This includes creating and enforcing advanced security policies using App ID and User ID features for granular control and setting up threat prevention to block malicious traffic. With Palo Alto skills, you'll be able to monitor network traffic in real time, detect suspicious activities, and respond to security incidents promptly. This capability is especially valuable in a security operations center, where quick identification and response to threat are critical. Your expertise will also extend to cloud environments, where Palo Alto skills help you secure cloud applications and workloads. You'll learn to integrate Palo Alto solutions with cloud platforms while ensuring compliance and maintaining secure connectivity across distributed environments. Overall, mastering Palo Alto enables you to build a strong security posture for any organization, making you a valuable asset as a network security engineer, SOC analyst, or firewall administrator. Mastering Palo Alto skills through IP specialist expertly designed courses can significantly boost your cybersecurity career, opening doors to in demand roles across the industry. These courses are tailored for cybersecurity experts and aspiring professionals who aim to build strong, practical skills in network defense. By earning the PCNSA certification, you validate your ability to deploy and operate Palo Alto firewalls, configure basic security and net policies, and manage daily operations within a security environment. This certification is ideal for entry to mid level cybersecurity experts, preparing you for roles such as SOC analyst, network security technician, or junior firewall administrator, where monitoring traffic and enforcing security policies is essential for protecting organizational assets. Additionally, PCNSA certification holders often experience a 10 to 20% salary increase, with many receiving offers in the $75,000 to $100,000 range for roles in network administration and security support. Moving forward, the PCNSE certification demonstrates advanced expertise in designing, deploying, configuring, and troubleshooting Palo Alto network security platforms. It proves your ability to manage complex security architectures, VPN implementations, and high availability environments. This credential is a game changer for cybersecurity experts, targeting senior level roles such as network security engineer, SOC analyst, firewall administrator, or security consultant. Earning the PCNSE certification can lead to a 15 to 30% salary boost, with certified engineers frequently receiving offers in $110,000 to $140,000 range, especially from Fortune 500 companies and managed security service providers. These certifications not only enhance your technical credibility, but also significantly increase your earning potential, making you a sought after asset for organizations looking for cybersecurity experts who can confidently manage and secure their infrastructure. In summary, completing these Palo Alto Networks courses with IP specialists equips you with practical job ready skills, helping you advance your career as a cybersecurity expert, while positioning you for rewarding roles in a rapidly growing and evolving field. As we've seen, Palo Alto skills are not just valuable, they're essential in today's cybersecurity landscape. With IP specialist structured hands on courses, you can confidently prepare for PCNSA and PCNSE certifications while gaining practical skills that employers actively seek. So, whether you're starting your journey in cybersecurity or looking to advance your career, investing in Palo Alto training is a step towards securing your future in this high demand field. So, are you ready to level up your cybersecurity career? Enroll in IP Specialist Palo Alto certification course today and gain the skills, confidence, and credentials to stand out in the world of network and cloud security. You can also purchase our books directly from Amazon to reinforce your learning and stay exam ready. That concludes our session for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also share it with your colleagues or friends who might benefit from this information. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover in the future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is very valuable to us.